This is another tool that is not quite carpenter's necessity, but it is really needed, especially now when the summer has arrived. I like it way better than the fans, the regular box fans I used to buy. They were flimsy, and if they fell, they were broken right away. And they were pretty huge to keep it in my truck. This thing is nice and square, form factor is just perfect. And let me tell you how powerful it is. I think, in my opinion, it beats out any little fan that you can buy at the box store. This thing just blows some nice air. Awesome tool by B-Air. I believe it's called Vent. Little air mover blower. I bought it for $69, and now I believe Home Depot sells it as a Memorial Day special for $99, which is funny. Another thing to note, that it comes with 2 outlets, so it can be used as a 3-way. It has 3-speed setting, low, medium, and high. Awesome, awesome tool. It helps me from excessive sweating during hot summer days. Highly recommend getting one. If you like this video, subscribe and make sure you like this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.